Hi, folks. Today we're going to be working with audio and specifically background music. Today we're going to start off with a bit of intro to audio, and we're not going to get too far in there, so just buckle up and we'll start off pretty quickly. Right now we have to start off by creating an audio node. First start by clicking create, then go to audio, and you want an audio source. Right here is an audio source, and it is invisible when we start playing. Now it does nothing because it has no audio clip or audio mixer group. We're going to first discuss this. An audio clip is basically the MP3 or WAV files that you put into any audio source. I have an audio MP3 file right here that I just downloaded off the internet. With that, you can go to any one of your files and get a WAV or MP3 file and put it into your game. And it is as simple as implementing it as this, drag and drop. Now we don't need an output for this because it's background music. If it had an output, meaning that if it came out of a game object, we wouldn't need it because this is going to be ambient noise, meaning that it comes from everywhere rather than one source. Now these are all the options right here. Your usual mute. These bypass listener effects are irrelevant right now, but what we really need to talk about is play on awake and loop. When it comes to background music, you want it to immediately start playing once you click the play button. And you also want it to play over and over again once it ends. So I'm going to check the loop button and make sure that this is always checked. Also, when we start getting into multiple noises like priority, we'll have to make it high or low based on what the user wants to hear. Since this is audio from a background music, we're going to make it a little bit lower so that any effects we put on top of it can be heard. Volume is another problem when we come to audio, and it can be changed in-game or out-of-game with the right coding. Pitch is just how high or how low your audio source is. Stereo pan, left or right, is used for three-dimensional surround sound. We're going to have it right in the middle because it's just an audio source. That's all we'll have to talk about today. So let's see if this thing will work. Thanks, guys. And next week, we'll be discussing user interface or UI, basically all the two-dimensional objects we have in a 3D world, like our health bars and points bars. And I'll see you then. Thank you.